The power of the Court of Appeals, CA, to issue a writ of preliminary injunction, WPI, against the implementation of a joint memorandum based solely on judicial courtesy.
This is the case of Leila M. de Lima, et al. Versus Hun. Court of Appeals, et al. GR number 199972, August 15, 2022.
This is case 13 out of 160 cases penned by the 2024 Bar Chairperson Mario Lopez, Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. Subscribe for more. Facts of the case. The Cagayan Economic Zone Authority, JZA, granted a license to MERIDIEN VISTA Gaming Corporation, MERIDIEN, to operate high-ali gaming within the Cagayan Special Economic Zone. JZA later revoked the license, but the trial court issued a writ of mandamus allowing MERIDIEN to continue operations. The Games and Amusement Board, GAB, subsequently ordered the closure of MERIDIEN's off-fronton stations. MERIDIEN obtained an injunction from the trial court against the closure order. GAB filed a petition for certiorari and prohibition with the Court of Appeals, CA, to nullify the injunction. The CA ruled that the trial court lacked jurisdiction and also affirmed GAB's regulatory authority over MERIDIEN's high-ali activities. In separate proceedings, the DOJ and DILG issued a joint memorandum to prohibit and penalize MERIDIEN's off-fronton operations. MERIDIEN sought to enjoin the joint memorandum in the CA on the ground of judicial courtesy while related issues were pending in the Supreme Court. The CA issued a WPI against the joint memorandum.
Primary issue: whether the CA gravely abused its discretion in issuing the WPI based solely on judicial courtesy.
Ruling of the case. The Supreme Court held that judicial courtesy is not a ground for the issuance of a WPI. The CA should have lifted the WPI motu proprio upon the resolution of the related case. WPI may only be issued upon a showing of a clear legal right, which MERIDIEN failed to demonstrate. Important doctrines. Principle of judicial courtesy applies only if the higher court's resolution would render the issues in the lower court moot, not merely related. Judicial courtesy is not a substitute for or ground to issue a WPI, which requires a clear legal right. The power to issue WPI must be exercised sparingly, with utmost care and caution.